Dear students, when you log in using the Vigyanshala ID and password given to you and you come into the Microsoft Teams platform, what you should be seeing here is Kalpana Fellowship 2.1 in the Teams section when you log in into a laptop. When you log in from a mobile, you click on the Teams icon to see Kalpana Fellowship 2.1. Do not worry about the above channels, you will not be able to see them. Using Kalpana Fellowship 2.1, you will see a general channel and 33 or 34 hidden channels. Click on these channels and you will see all the channels. So each one of them is called a channel. And in this channel, click the channel whose student you are. So all of these are all the mentors. If, for example, you are Amrita's student and Amrita ma'am is your mentor, click on show over here. Do not click here, but click on show, so that once you click on show, what you will have is your channel with the mentor permanently showing, whereas hiding all the other channels. If you click on Amrita's channel and if you are Amrita's student, you will be able to see a lot of chat that is happening in Amrita's channel. You can go and converse with your fellow students. Say hi to Amrita ma'am. So do @ and say AM Amrita M9 and say hi to Amrita ma'am. How are you doing? And you can press enter. You can also say, for example, hi to Gopika is one of Amrita ma'am's student. So you can say @ Gopika and you can see Gopika coming here, or not Gopika, Vaishali. Vaishali is one of students, so you can say hi Vaishali and so that and press enter. You can do a lot of cool things in this channel. You can post GIFs, you can post smileys, you can attach files, you can take polls in this channel. Also, you can go to the section called files over here on the top. If you click on files, here are files that Amrita ma'am has given to her students. This is also the place where you will have to come and submit your assignments. You will have to come to this files and say new and say you want a new Word document or Excel document, or if you want to upload a file that you have worked on, you can just say upload and you can upload a file or upload a folder. We would recommend every student to make their own folder 112 roll number, for example, and create a folder. Go into this folder and upload your assignment for the week. You can upload files on smart goals, on SWOT templates, and then you have your assignments submitted over here. You can go back to Amrita over here, and this folder will be each student's, and you can upload files and it will be your personal folder. You can also go back to by clicking here, you can again go back to the channel. Any meeting that has been scheduled by your mentor will be available on this channel over here. For example, Amrita ma'am had scheduled a meeting on May 10th, which you can see over here. Similarly, you can also go to the general channel over here. General channel is where all the other meetings for the STEM leaders talk that happens every Sunday takes place. So for example, reimagining possibilities for women in STEM on May 9th happened over here. This is the 5th May talk by Professor Jaydeep Prabhu. You can also join the meeting by coming to this, by clicking the general channel and going up, and any meeting that's going on, say join the meeting. So you can have your channel with the mentor and you can have a lot of talks. You can share files, you say new conversation, and you can share files over here. You can send smileys, gifs and whatnot. You can post your assignments all into your own folder over here. Make your own folder by saying new and folder and put your assignments in there. Hope this clears any doubts. Please help your fellow students if they are facing any challenges in this.